To draw a basket of fruit, start by sketching in the shape of the basket. Draw a wide and horizontal oval to represent the opening at the top of the basket, then a half circle shape underneath for the body of the basket. Add a ring at the bottom of the basket for the base, and draw a smaller oval inside the top oval to give the basket a rim and make it look more three-dimensional. Draw two parallel curved lines going over the top of the basket to represent the handle. Then add crisscrossing bands around the body of the basket to make it look woven. Sketch in the basic shapes of the fruit inside the basket, such as half circles for apples and oranges, curved shapes for bananas, and smaller ovals for grapes. Then fill in details such as stems and leaves. Erase any overlapping lines and add shading or color to the fruit to make it look more realistic.